Question 10. There were some bones and 4 dogs. Each dog picked up 1 bone to eat. There was 1 dog fewer than there were bones. How many bones were there? This question is about a quantity of bones and a quantity of dogs. The first thing I need to do is work out which quantity is larger, bones or dogs. I need to look for the comparison word of either fewer or more. I can see it just here. I'm going to read this sentence to work out which quantity is the larger one. And I'll put the larger one on the top bar. There was 1 dog fewer than there were bones. If there are fewer dogs, this means there must be more bones. I'm going to do my bones in blue and put that on the top bar because it will be the larger quantity. My smaller quantity I will do in brown, and that will be the dogs and the difference. There were some bones. So the first piece of information is some bones. My quantity of bones is the unknown. I have some bones. And 4 dogs. 4 dogs. That's my smaller quantity. Each dog picked up 1 bone to eat. There was 1 dog fewer than there were bones. This is my difference. 1 dog fewer. So just here, there's 1 dog fewer than there are bones, which would be the most. If you can imagine, this dog eats this bone, this dog eats this bone, this dog eats this bone, and this dog eats this bone, this bone is left on the floor without a dog to eat it. The plan I'm going to use is this one because I know the smaller quantity of 4 dogs and I know the difference of 1. And if I add these together, I will get the larger quantity. That is the unknown, which is the number of bones. 4 add 1 is 5. There should be, and I'll check, 5 bones. Yes, my addition is correct. The last thing I need to check is my question. And the question is, wrong colour, sorry. The last thing I need to check is my question. And this says, how many bones? And there were 5 bones.